So today we're going to use a hardcover book and scissors and yarn to make tassels for your State of Grace scarf. Just like that. All right, I'm going to wrap the yarn around the book the long way, and one of my favorite numbers is 17, so I'm wrapping it around 17 times. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then I trim at the bottom here, and I use where the pages are, and I kind of hold up here so that they don't all fall apart, and cut. And here is my first batch for tassel number 1. Now to attach the tassel to the end of the scarf, I fold it in half, and then I find the end of the scarf, and I use my fingers to make a hole and push all of the yarn through. There we go. And then I take the end, the ponytail end here, and pull it through the loop that I've pushed through, just like this. And I pull it snug. And then, using my scissor, I'll just trim these extra bits. And I have a beautiful tassel.